Thank you. So, hope for most of you this view is familiar because we will not spend a lot of time in here. What I want to focus on is how X-ray is actually integrated and what benefit we get. So, usually what we will see is a story as I see it here. What is additional? We see here that this story is tested by. So we have two linked issues. Those are tests here. And what we also get is not only that we see, okay, this is linked, this is like the basic what we also have in Jira, but we also have the test coverage. So the status of actually the requirement coverage based on the test results. So we see that these two tests have already test statuses. So I see here the latest final status is not run. And this is based on, and unfortunately I have here, so based on both results here, I have one past test, what is also already good, but I still have one test that I need still to do. So that's why the status is not run. So I have the full traceability. I don't have to leave my view, for example, as a requirements engineer. I can focus on story.